everybody. I'm Alec with the experimental lab, and today we're going to be looking at how much bacteria is in hot dogs and some other cool stuff, and let's get into it.
All right, you guys go ahead and you sliced it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them what's going on.
We're looking at the bacteria of a weenie, as you can see. And
Go ahead and look at it.
And this kind of looks like rotten flesh, honestly. Actually, kind of does. Oh, ew. I don't think I should be eating this unless I cook it. Do I have a marking?
It looks like somebody drew like a line with like
it looked like a little ant just went like. Teacher, I'm done. Let's see what other stuff you can find.
What is that?
Ew, that looks like bones.
Wait, if you look at it this way, it kind of
There probably is bones in there.
It kind of looks like this. It looks like a gun. Kind of looks like a decent. Wait,
It really is bones in there because that's a parallel
what body?
Wait,
if you look at it this way, that's
Sure.
like a head, and that's like.
I see his ribcage right there.
I thought that ribcage.
Guys, you know they cut up some of that.
I know.
You don't want to touch that. That's disgusting.
Oh, wait, right there.
Wait.
Yeah, right there.
Ew. It's not it's gross. I don't get away from this. Wait, oh.
Wait, leave it there. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
it looks like a beetle.
Wait, I don't see it like a beetle. Just like.
I want to see the one that was.
The thing I like about this thing, it tells the time and the date.
That's what he likes about it.
Yeah, like all the other things. He just likes the time and the date.
I said that zooms into something and shows you the bacteria. Don't all microscopes do that.
Remember, when it's all blurry, turn it so you can see.
It looks like little lights in there.
There's something else there. You tell me. So, are you going to eat hot dogs anymore?
No. Looks like somebody demonetized.
So, we're not going to eat hot dogs no more then?
No, try the peach.
Oh, yeah, let's see the quick peek of the peach.